loves, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping you'll want to stick around and hit that subscribe button before the end of the video. So I usually do an end of year giveaway, and I usually do it in December. And what is it? Almost August, right? So I apologize. I went through such a hard time last year, and still at times going through a hard time, that I had to get a second job. And you guys know that I have 4 children. One's on his own, I have 3 at home, and then I have Kayla. And Kayla has tuberous sclerosis. It's a terminal illness, and she has seizures every single day. And I am a single mom, you know, I own a house, I have a huge yard, I have so many responsibilities that sometimes I feel like I'm drowning. And I just have to be perfectly honest with you in regards to that. And money is always needed for Kayla. Now, I don't want anyone to feel bad for me. Don't feel bad for me. I just want to explain to you guys a little bit of what I've been going through. Kayla's chairs, her wheelchair, it doesn't fit in my car. I do not have a van accessible for her. I have a van, but it's not tailored to her needs. And it's so hard to get certain equipment when I do get it. She's had this wheelchair for like 8 months and already it's broke. And I can't afford to get another one. You know, I was kind of hoping, this is my passion. I have to work outside the house right now. I'm delivering with DoorDash, I'm counseling, I'm doing everything I possibly can to bring in as much money. But when you have a child that has a disability, it just seems that money there's never enough, you know, because she's always needing something. And I want to be able to give her everything she needs and some things that she wants. And it's hard. It's really, really hard. There are days where I'm super discouraged, and the only one who's going to get you out of it is yourself, you know? So I've been going through a real lot. That's why I have not done this giveaway yet. But I decided, instead of doing a big, long live giveaway where I need a chunk of time, I did start filming a video and I didn't finish it. I'm just going to do so many each week until it's all taken care of. So if you guys ever received a raffle ticket from me, whether it was in the mail or if it was in my subscription box that you guys had last month, or if it was emailed to you, then your name is in this drawing. And what I do is I collect new releases, but I also add stuff in here. So there's like a whole lot in here. A lot of palettes that I have, they're all eyeshadow palettes. There might be some other stuff in there, but like, I just started throwing everything in there. Like, this is a new release from last year. And then I've got other palettes in here. So there's tons of eyeshadow palettes, and here are all the tickets. So if you have gotten a ticket, then your name is in here. And if you are part of my Gem Squad, where you have that monthly membership fee, you also received a ticket. And I am going to be trying to be more active on YouTube and let you guys in on a little bit what's going on, and just kind of trying to get all of the things. It's really my dream. I was kind of hoping that I would have 1 million subscribers by now, you know, and not have to worry about all the things that I'm worrying about. But, you know, life throws you things. Like right now, my car, it's not starting, you know? So like there's a whole bunch of stuff, and I thought, well, maybe God's telling me to make videos today. You know, maybe that's what I'm supposed to do. So this is what I'm doing, and we are going to, I'm going to hold up a palette, and then I'm going to pull out a ticket, and then I'm going to tape it to this, and I'm going to ship this out to you. So that's how that's going to go. Let's just get into it. I love to do fun and different things. And lately, we all know, it's hard. Life can be super hard. There are so many tickets in here. Oh my gosh. Should I just pull one out instead of like putting it in a whole big box, or should I put it in a box and shake it? Let's do that. Okay, I'm so excited. There's a lot of tickets in here. All right, so the first palette that we have up for grabs is the Jaclyn Cosmetics. This here is the Dear Mom eyeshadow palette. Yes, I'm so excited. This is a gorgeous palette. I haven't used mine in a while, but yeah, I picked this up. I know this is her limited edition too, so some of you may not want to use it, or you may, but here it is here. Beautiful wearable colors. So now we have to pick a winner to go with this palette. You guys ready? I'm so excited. This stuff is so much fun. I want to do this all day. Give stuff away, you know? All right. Let's shake it up and see who has won. Now, if you guys watch this and you know the person that wins, definitely, oh my gosh, it's Michele N. She has a channel too. I am so excited. Okay, so the ticket number is 0264247. And this is the palette that goes with that ticket. I'm so excited. Okay, let me put that down and we'll get into the next one. Okay, so we have the Queen Eloise palette. I think Boxycharm had these at one time. And of course I had extra, so I threw it in there. This is what she looks like. All right, let's pull a winner to go with it. Oh, I hope you guys are excited. I am. Let's see. What do we have? Rosalind Gray, my sister. Okay, ticket number 0264310. That's how you know if you still have your ticket. If you don't, I do have names on them, so you should be fine. So congrats, Roz. Right. Next we have House Laboratories. This is Lady Gaga's brand. And let me go ahead and pull her out and show her to you guys. Ooh. All right. Whoop. Here she is. She is pretty. Okay. Now we got to pull a winner for this. Right. Okay. Ariana V. Ariana V. All right, let me see the ticket number. 0264324. Congratulations, sweetheart. So excited. Next we have Michele Beauty. I think that's how you pronounce it. If not, I mean, I don't know. Here it is here. Let's see. Go ahead and show you what she looks like. All right. Let's see where you're going. Where are you going? And your name can be pulled out more than once. Tammy F. Yay, Tammy has a channel too. I love me some Tammy. All right, next we have the Tarte Sunrise palette. This, I think, had a $38 value. I really liked this palette. It's nice and neutral. Look at that. Okay, she needs a home. Where are you going? Let's see. All right. Maria Lopez. Maria Lopez, what's the ticket number? 0264301. You guys can email me. I'll put my email on the screen, or you could just comment below and then I'll get your address somehow and we will figure this out. All right, the last one for today is the Ace Beauty Quintessential Palette. All right, let's take a look at her. Here she is. Oh, she's beautiful. Look at that. If you like color, this is for you. Okay, let's find her a winner. Tammy F. Tammy, you have a choice here now. I mean, they're both yours, but unless you want, I don't know if you have these palettes or not, so let me know what you want to do. The ticket number is 0264214. Now that I've pulled you out twice, if I do pull you out a third time, I will send you something, but I'm going to move on and give the eyeshadow palette to someone else. I hope that's okay, but we do want to make sure that we are giving everyone a fair chance for everything, so I'm going to put this aside. So we just gave away 6 eyeshadow palettes. Okay, so 6 eyeshadow palettes gone. We still have plenty more to go. So each week I am going to pull a few more names. If you do have any questions, put that down in the comments or reach out to me. I'll put my email on the screen for you, or you can find it in my About section, and just make sure that you put like Gem Squad or something else in the subject line so I know it's something that I need to open pretty much immediately. I do want to thank you guys so much for your support, for your love. I can't wait to do this full time. That is my dream. I'm definitely going to make it happen. I really do enjoy doing fun stuff. Like when we did the pool where we did makeup. What were they called? I don't remember even what it was called. But anyhow, you guys know if you've been around here for a while. If you're new here, you might want to check out some of my other videos. Thank you. I can't wait to do this again next week. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you real soon in another video. Bye.